Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to download RedNote videos without watermark. So in order to do this, first of all open your mobile phone, then navigate to the RedNote application. Now after opening the application, just navigate to the video that you want to download. For example, I will choose this one. Now, this is the video that I want to download, and in order to do that, I'll click on this icon at the top right of the screen and it will show up options to share to. Now, I can save this video to album by clicking on this button, but that will include watermark. Now, in order to download this without watermark, scroll to the right and click on the copy link button. Now, this video's link will be copied to my clipboard and I'll have to simply go back to my mobile phone's screen, open Chrome or any browser, go to the search bar and type in shuiyinla.com. That is shuiyinla.com. Now, after typing in shuiyinla.com, I'll have to hit enter and I'll be taken to this page where I will have to just place my cursor here and paste the link that I just copied. I can also just click on this small paste button, click on allow. Now, I'll have to click this button and it will show me two options, download the image or the video. I will choose download the video. Now this will instantly show up that video. I'll have to click on this three dot icon at the bottom, click on download. Now click on details and this will show up that the video is currently downloading. Now when I click on this play button, the video will be instantly played. Now this video is saved onto my mobile phone. As you can see, I have downloaded it. So that is a simple way to download RedNote videos without watermark. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.